Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 15.3 question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is draw the graphs for the following tables of values with suitable scales on the axis. Cost of apples. Here it is given that number of apples, when the number of apples is 1, the cost in rupees is 5. When the number of apples is 2, cost in rupees is 10. When the number of apples is 3, cost in rupees is 15. When the number of apples is 4, cost in rupees is 20. When the number of apples is 5, cost in rupees is 25. Let us find this point, that is when the cost of apple is 1, when the number of apple is 1, cost is rupees 5. So we are getting this point, that is this point is 1 5. This point is 1 5. 1 5. The value of x is y and y is 5. 2 10. This is 2 10. This point is value of x is 2 and the value of y is 10, that is 2 10. 2 10. Next one, this is 3 15. This is 3 and the value of y is 15. This point is 3 15. This point is 3 15. This point is 4 20. This point is value of x is 4 and the value of y is 20, 4 20. And this point is 5. This point is 5 25. This point is 5. This point is 5 25. Right? Now if we draw a linear graph, then we will get a graph of like this. You see, we are drawing a graph like this. We are getting a linear graph, right? But you see, we are getting a linear graph here. We are getting a linear graph. If we take this point here, and if we take this point and draw a straight line, then we are getting this is the straight line graph. If we take this point here and take this point to make a straight line graph, then we are getting a straight line like this, right? From here we are getting a straight line like this, right? Now here you see, we have taken, this is the number of apples. In the x-axis we have taken number of apples, number of apples. Number of apples on the left hand side, and here is the cost in rupees, that is cost. This is in cost, y-axis is cost in rupees, cost in rupees. This is the y-axis. Now we'll take a scale. Here the scale is, you have taken the scale in this way, scale. The scale is for x-axis, for x-axis, for x-axis we have taken, for x-axis we have taken 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit is equal to 1 apple, 1 apple, 1 unit is equal to 1 apple. For y-axis, for y-axis we have taken, for y-axis we have taken 1 unit, 1 unit is equal to rupees 5, 1 unit is equal to rupees 5, rupees 5, and we made this graph, right? We find this graph, right? That is number of apples in the x or x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and number of and cost in rupees on the y-axis, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. That is for x-axis 1 unit equal to 1 apple, and for y-axis 1 unit is equal to rupees 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.